Hello, children. Today we are going to start one of our writing portion, poster making. Although you all know how to design a poster, but then too we must look at some points that we need to keep in our mind while designing a poster. First of all, let us see some of the features of a poster. A poster is used to make appeals and announcements, issue notices, create awareness in public regarding any issue, right? They are used by political parties during elections. We all know that number of posters are there on the hoardings when elections are there, okay? All of them appealing others to vote, right? And these posters, they are usually put on walls or notice boards. You all know these things, right? So basically, students, poster has that visual effect, right? They have to attract the attention of the viewer and leave a visual impact on him or her. Okay, so they have to attract the viewer by the visual presentations, right? And leave a visual impact on the viewer, the one who's watching their poster, right? So you are also supposed to make such design some these posters which have the ability to leave a visual impact on the viewer of your poster, right? And the most importantly, visuals like pictures and images are very important in a poster. You all know when we look at a poster, pictures and images, they play a vital role because that is what we look at in a poster. जब भी हम poster देखते हैं, we first look at the pictures that are there, okay, and they should attract us. Then only we just move to the further information in the poster, right? Okay, so these play a very important role while designing a poster. So whenever you design a poster, you must include pictures. Although there is no fixed format for posters, right, but still there are some things we all should keep in our mind while designing a poster. Okay, there's no proper format, but yeah, some of the key points will definitely help us all in designing good posters which are attractive, leaving visual impact on the viewers, right? Okay, so let's see these points. One full page should be used for a poster. Like whenever you are designing a poster, whenever you're making a poster, you should utilize the full page, your full page to design a poster. Okay, don't make a short one, small one. Okay, you should utilize the full page. Okay, and just place it in a box. It should be put in a box. Okay, all the information, images, they should be there in a box, right? And just start your poster by giving a catchy slogan or caption. It's very important that whenever you start your poster, whenever you start it, you should give it a catchy, attractive slogan or any caption that is related to your theme, that is related to the theme of your poster. Always remember to put such slogan. And the theme and the event, the theme on which you are writing, the theme on which you are designing, it should be clear. It should be clearly mentioned there. Okay, then only the viewer will get an idea about what your poster is, whether it's about any event or any announcement or notice or whatever. Okay, so theme should be clearly mentioned. Okay, and you all should remember to include the purpose of the poster. Don't forget the purpose for which you're writing or making your poster. Okay, so these things really play a very important role. Fine. And if you're talking about any event in your poster, if you want to aware everyone about the event or you want to promote your event, don't forget to mention the time, date, and place of the event. Okay, like if you have organized or any event and you are just placing some posters regarding that so that more people could come to your event, right? So always remember to mention the date, time and venue of that event. Got it, everyone? Generally, posters, they carry a message of appeal, like you're requesting something to someone, okay, or awareness regarding any social issue or any issue, okay. They might be any invitation or promotion of any of the product, of any brand, of anything it could be. You all know posters are there with number of promoting things, okay. So these are the basic things that the posters relate to, okay. And at the end, very important, utmost important thing, at the end, mention the name of the person or organization which is issuing the poster. So at the end of the, at the end of the page, like on which you are just designing your poster, at the end of that page, just jot down, write down the name of the person or any organization which has issued the poster. Okay, the one which is issuing the poster. So don't forget to write down the name of that person or organization. Students, here I have an example for you all of a poster, and it says Save Oil. So that's the title. It is clear from the title itself that what is the person trying to say, the one who has issued this, right? A crude awakening, the oil crash. Conserve oil, conserve life. Issued in public interest by All Corporation India. So it's the issuing authority. They have written that. Okay, you also have to mention your name or the name of organization, and some lettering is also done, some information. Our new sophisticated life has led to an alarming increase in fuel consumption. Fuel is non-renewable. Use fuel judiciously, save fuel for our children. Okay, so there's a short information. There is, can you see the picture? How beautifully they have shown that, how beautifully it is shown that crude oil, that pipe is hanging. Okay, like a person is given death by hanging, right? फांसी दी जाती in the same way. It is dying. That means oil is dying. Oil is getting lower day by day. It is depleting. Okay, so this is how they have shown that oil is depleting. So save oil. So you should also include some those pictures which directly give the message. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all how to design a poster. Okay, just go through all the points and do try some of the questions by your own. They are given in your book also. I have also given you one question. Okay, there are some sample posters given in your book. Go through them. Okay, still if you find any issue regarding these poster things, please let me know. Contact me, students. Okay, so see you all. Take care, everyone. Thank you.